Your social media feed is probably full of these little plastic containers. They promise to solve all your air quality problems with zero effort. It is called the Magic Air Box. People are buying them by the truckload because the pitch is so tempting. We are all tired of bulky machines. They roar like a jet engine just to filter out a bit of pet dander. This little guy is the exact opposite of that. It is a small, lidded container. It weighs next to nothing. You could tuck it behind a photo frame. You could hide it in your cup holder and forget it even exists. That is the whole selling point. It is passive. It does not need a plug. It does not need a battery. It just sits there and supposedly does the hard work for you. The secret sauce is apparently a plant-based extract formula. The marketing says this gel-like substance reaches out. It grabs dust particles from the air around it. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But we have to look at the physics of how air actually moves. Most air purifiers use a powerful motor. They force air through a dense mesh. This box relies entirely on the air just drifting by. If a dust bunny doesn't float directly over the jar, is it really getting caught? That is the big question. When I look at the technical side, things get a bit blurry. There are no independent lab reports to be found. You won't see a seal of approval from any major air quality experts. This is what we call a faith-based product. You have to believe it is working because you can't see it happening. Now, it does release a very light, pleasant fragrance. For many people, that scent is enough. It makes the room feel cleaner. It creates an atmosphere of freshness. That is likely why the reviews are so mixed. If you walk into a room and it smells like a mountain spring, you are going to assume the air is pure. It is a clever trick of the senses. But if you actually measure the dust on your shelves after 2 weeks, you might be disappointed. I have seen countless comments from frustrated buyers. They say their allergies didn't improve at all. They still see the same layer of gray fuzz on their television screens. On the flip side, some users love how low maintenance it is. There is no filter to wash in the sink. There is no annoying blue light glowing in your bedroom while you try to sleep. It is the ultimate set it and forget it gadget. But we have to be realistic about the scale of effectiveness here. A tiny container is not going to replace a full-size filtration system. It might be great for a locker or a closet. Maybe a small office space where you just want a bit of a scent boost. The Magic Box is a perfect example of a product that fills a very specific niche. It is for the person who wants a tiny bit of help without any of the hassle. It is a mild deodorizer masquerading as a high-tech purifier. If you go into the purchase knowing that, you will probably be happy with it. But if you are expecting it to clear out heavy smoke, you are going to feel let down. It is all about managing those expectations. It is a stylish little addition to a room. It smells nice, and it looks clean. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. The world of air purification is rarely as simple as opening a jar. We still haven't found a way to bypass the laws of physics. Until then, we are stuck with a mix of high-tech fans and these curious little passive boxes.